I've been using the IKEA and Gustaf Westman collection for the last week, and here's what I've noticed. This little lantern is one of my favorite pieces. It is very lightweight and made of plastic, which I know some of you have been disappointed in, but it's actually very easy to just carry around your house and move it to different spots. And I think looking at it sitting on a sideboard or on your bedside table, you wouldn't actually know that this is plastic because the color is gorgeous and it has this really nice shiny finish, and you can move this around in any way that you like. So it can sit flat like that or kind of up on an angle. It's battery operated, but you can also plug it in with USB-C. Okay, now for the dinnerware. These teacups are the cutest thing ever. They have quite a big plate so you can fit like biscuits or a lot of things around the side. And when Gustaf was presenting these products, he was essentially saying that this is good for like an espresso after dinner or mulled wine, because as a lot of people have pointed out, this is a very tiny cup. So you wouldn't really typically have a cup of tea in here. It's really small. But what this reminded me of is like when we would go to Max Brenner and you get a chocolate lick and then it comes with all the sides of like marshmallows and strawberries. So I think this could be fun for like an individual little fondue dessert moment. I like these pieces because they're quirky and they challenge you to use them in your own way. All of the dinnerware and teacups are made from porcelain. They're very heavy and they feel amazing quality. You can also stack them up on each other really neatly, which is just very satisfying. Guys, these are meant to be fun. I know Gustaf Westman has his signature like bubble plates and bubble teacup and saucers, but you can also just go and buy those directly from his original website. These are labeled as pillar candlestick holders. I think there's also one that comes in blue and it's a little bit smaller, but I got it because I thought it would be really nice as a side dish, like for olives or dips or sweets. I brought this back from South Korea on the plane with me as carry-on because I just couldn't not get one. The tone of pink that they're using in this collection is so pretty. The way Gustaf described this product was he thought it was funny how it was kind of two useless pieces joined together to make a vase. Like you can't use the spiral on its own as a vase, and you also can't use this glass piece on its own because it has a rounded bottom. But when you put it together, you get this fun little bouncy piece. This actually is quite heavy as well. The quality is definitely there with this one, and it's very easy to carry, which might sound like an irrelevant point, but I have a lot of very heavy vases and they're actually quite difficult to get a grip on when they're filled with water and flowers. Just wanted to chat through everything and let me know which piece is your favorite.